Welcome to Powerviz. Do you want a quick way to track sales performance versus targets in Power BI? Let's use the linear gauge visual by Powerviz to make it simple and effective. Go to App Source, search for linear gauge by Powerviz and add it to your report or download it directly from our website. Drag actual sales to actual value and target sales to target value. Instantly you see how sales compare. Choose from linear, bar in bar, cylinder, or thermometer styles. Adjust colors, target markers, and axis formatting for clarity. Enhance readability with bands. You can set ranges like below target, on target, and above target. Use the comparison color palette to differentiate actual sales from targets visually. Use small multiples to track performance across regions. And apply ranking to highlight top and bottom performers. And that's it. A simple way to track sales versus targets in Power BI. Download the linear gauge visual from App Source or our website today.